Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Metro Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in metrobankonline.co.uk and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Metro Bank. Now from the homepage, click on the login button at the top section and then choose from your personal, your business account or your commercial one. After choosing your respective login portal, you will be taken into the login section. Now, first of all, enter your 12-digit customer number or your username that you have set up while creating your account. Then click on the continue button and you will then be asked to enter your password. Go ahead and type in your password within the given box and then click on the login button and you will be logged into your Metro Bank account right away. In case you have forgotten your username or password, click on the forgot option underneath and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Metro Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.